So across the city, there would be multiple microcontrollers with fixed locations that are publishing information about the temperature, the light intensity, and the humidity of an area.
Here we have a feed of the environmental data that's being published by the ESP32 with MQTT. And here is the interface where the police users will log in, and they're not able to access the alert dashboard until they do so. So yeah, here we can see the danger zone and some of the data that's coming from it. For the previous phases, we had sampled data in the database of danger zones, but now it's being updated live from the microcontroller.
Okay, so the application needs a one-time setup at the beginning, where the user would have to look up the unique watch ID that's going to be displayed on the watch face, and they have to type it in their phone, and then once they click on save, this is going to save the unique ID on the user's device, and basically that's going to set up the communication between the phone and the watch. Now for the watch, the application is basically going to be sensing the application is going to be sensing the user's heart rate, and if and the user has the option of setting the heart rate limit, because it differs from one person to another. So if the heart rate limit is like lower, for example, this is going to match up. Like basically, if the heart rate limit is lower than the heart rate itself, then the application is going to automatically start itself. So basically, to simulate the event of someone's heart rate going up, instead of actually having my heart rate go up, I'm just going to reduce the heart rate limits to 75. In that case, it's going to increase. The limit is going to be lower than the application is going to automatically start itself. And if I don't do anything within 10 seconds, then it's going to automatically publish an alert status that's going to be unconfirmed. The application will assume that I am in danger since I did not interact with the watch, and it's going to publish this to the phone. The phone in its turn is going to receive this message, and in the background it's republishing, basically publishing the alert status received from the watch, as well as the phone's location and the alert ID and the timestamp of this alert. All of this is going to be published to the main server, which is going to display in the website.
Here we can see that the server received and processed the alert, and there it is. There we are, right in EV2.
After that, if the user notices the watch, they can exit the safety application. At the same time, if the application launches and the user is safe, for example, they can just rotate the bezel to confirm their safety, and that would make them exit the app. In addition to this, whenever the application launches, the watch will always vibrate so that it makes it easier to the user to notice that the alert is going to be sent.